my name's Dr. Julie, and today I'm going to answer your questions regarding, is it normal for cats to groom themselves, and how much is too much grooming? So to start with, it's worth knowing that cats love to groom themselves. They love to be fastidiously clean, and it's estimated that they spend about 30% of their time keeping their coat in pristine order. And that's why so many cats can have issues with hairballs, because they're always swallowing that hair that they lick off themselves. Cats groom themselves for a number of reasons. Firstly, they love to smell nice and clean. So if they've just eaten, or if they've got any food on their coat, or even sometimes if they've been to the vets and they smell a little unusual, they love to lick themselves all over and get rid of that smell. The second thing is, a lot of cats find it very calming to clean themselves and to lick and to groom. It's like remembering what it's like to have a tongue bath from your mother cat. That's why some cats will actually lick themselves to release stress, because it actually does make them feel better. The third reason that cats can groom themselves is actually for temperature regulation. So if it is cold, like at the moment, grooming and licking their fur stimulates their circulation and it can make them warm up. And in our hotter weather, having that moisture on their fur can evaporate and make them a little bit cooler. The fourth reason that a cat can groom itself is if their skin is sore or itchy. So for example, if they've had some sort of injury, if they've had some trauma, if they've even just got a bite from a creature like a flea, they can groom themselves because their tongue itches their skin and makes them feel better. They can even overgroom areas like around their bottom if they've got worms. So those are the sorts of things you've got to think about when you notice your cat grooming. The next question, I guess, is how do you know if it's too much? How do you know if they're over grooming? Really, you're looking at if it's excessive. So if it seems to be more than 30% of the time, or if you're starting to see changes with the skin and coat. So particularly if you're finding areas of hair loss, or if you're seeing redness, rashes, any sort of discharges like pustty sort of material on the skin, scabs, those sorts of signs that the skin isn't healthy. They're symptoms that your cat might be grooming too much. There's two basic reasons why your cat might be over grooming. Firstly, you've got medical problems, so that's everything from dermatitises, skin infections, trauma, cat bite abscesses, worm infections, those sort of medical causes. But you can actually also see over-grooming in cats that have got psychological disorders, so disorders particularly related to stress and anxiety. What we do about it is that we check pets over who have got symptoms of over-grooming or skin problems, and we try and work out, have we got a medical problem that might need medications such as antibiotics or anti-inflammatories, or have we got a psychological problem, which means that some cats might need medications to reduce stress and anxiety in their lives. On a final note, it's worth talking about, is it nice for your cat to help them groom? And so is it nice for your cat for you to brush them or wipe them? And the answer is yes. If your cats like grooming and they'll allow it, it's a really good time to strengthen the bond that you have with your cat. So I hope this has helped. It's quite a common problem, cats over grooming, and I hope that's been an aid to try and work out when you need to see a vet or not. Thank you.